In this video, we are going to talk about the top best RV solar setup under $500, 0 cents you can buy on Amazon. Links are in the description. Do check them out. So let's get started. 6. ZeroKor 300W portable solar-powered power station generator with 60W panel. On number 6 is the ZeroKor 300W portable solar power station. This is a compact and versatile power solution designed for a variety of off-grid scenarios, including camping, RV trips, and as an emergency home backup. Weighing in at just over 5 pounds, its purpose is to provide an easily transportable source of power for small to medium-sized electronics. Key features include a 280 YM woven battery, a pure sine wave AC output, and multiple charging ports including 2 AC outlets, a DC port, and several USB ports, with one being a quick charge port. The included 60W monocrystalline solar panel is a significant value add, boasting a high conversion efficiency of 20.5% and built-in MPPT technology to optimize solar charging. In real-life scenarios, its lightweight build and array of ports make it highly practical for charging laptops, phones, and running small appliances like a portable fan, though users must be mindful of the 300W limit, as higher wattage devices like coffee makers are not supported. While it provides good value for money, especially as a bundle with the included solar panel, a relevant competitor like the Anker Solix C300 offers a comparable 300W output, but with a slightly lower 288 capacity and a Li-Fe PO4 battery, which typically offers a longer lifespan. The ZeroKor's build quality is functional and durable enough for its intended use, and its intuitive LCD screen makes it simple to monitor battery status and power consumption. The unique design aspect of a dedicated SOS flashlight further enhances its utility during emergencies. 5. Eco-worthy 200 watts 12-volt/24 volt solar panel kit with 30A PWM charge controller. Number 5 is the ECO-worthy 200 watts 12-volt/24 volt solar panel kit. This is a compelling option for those looking to build a reliable off-grid power system for their RV, camper, or cabin within a tight budget. Its primary purpose is to provide a comprehensive, all-in-one package that simplifies the transition to solar power. The kit's key features include 2 durable 100W monocrystalline solar panels with a claimed efficiency of up to 21%, a 30A PWM charge controller, and a complete set of mounting brackets and cables, making for a user-friendly plug-and-play setup. The build quality of the panels is robust, featuring low iron-tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame designed to withstand high winds and snow loads, ensuring longevity for a fixed installation. In real-life scenarios, the kit performs as a solid entry-level system, capable of generating an average of 800 Wh of power per day under ideal conditions, which is sufficient to power small appliances, lights, and charge a variety of devices. When evaluating its value for money, the kit's worthy kit is generally considered an affordable choice compared to more premium brands. A direct competitor like the Renogy 200W solar panel kit offers a comparable setup, but Renogy is often seen as a mid-tier brand with a stronger reputation and a longer warranty, which can be a significant factor for long-term reliability. The ESO-worthy kit, with its focus on affordability and inclusive mounting hardware, is a great starting point for those new to solar, offering solid foundational components. 4. DOKIO 200W portable foldable solar panel kit. 29x21 in 11.7 lb. The DOKIO 200W portable foldable solar panel kit is a highly practical and lightweight solution designed for mobile and off-grid power needs, such as RV camping, van life, and emergency backup. Its core purpose is to offer a high-threshold solar charging system that is both easy to transport and quick to set up. A key feature is its truly portable and compact design, folding down to a manageable size, 29x, 21-inch, and weighing only 11.7 pounds, which is a significant advantage over many heavier solar suitcases. The kit comes with an integrated 20A PWM charge controller and multiple output options, including a dedicated output for 12V batteries, and dual USB ports for charging smaller devices like phones. In real-life performance, the panel delivers a solid output, often in the range of 140 watts, in good sunlight, which is sufficient for keeping a portable power station or a 12V battery topped up for a weekend of light use. The build quality is impressive for its price point, with a durable, lightweight frame and a design that is resistant to rain. When compared to a competitor like the Renogi 200W foldable panel, the DOKIO stands out primarily for its exceptionally low cost and superior lightweight profile. Its ease of use is a major selling point, with the all-in-one design and various connectors simplifying the entire setup process. Overall, this product is an excellent choice for campers, van lifers, and anyone who needs a highly portable and effective solar charging solution without a hefty price tag. 3. WERCHTAY 200 watts solar panel kit, 12V/24V 2PCS 100W monocrystalline 30A charge controller. Number 3 is the WERCHTAY 200 watts solar panel kit. This is an affordable and efficient solution for those seeking to power their off-grid adventures, including RVs, boats, and emergency home backup systems. This kit's primary purpose is to provide a comprehensive, ready-to-use solar charging system featuring two 100W monocrystalline panels. Key features include a reported 25% high-efficiency rating and the use of half-cut cell technology, which is designed to improve performance by reducing power loss and internal resistance, particularly when the panel is partially shaded. The kit also includes a 30A PWM charge controller, which is a convenient feature for a beginner-friendly setup. The build quality is solid, with a durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and an IP67 waterproof junction box and connectors, ensuring reliability in various weather conditions. In real-life scenarios, the panels are praised for their solid power output, with some users reporting excellent performance even in less than ideal conditions. The ease of use is a major selling point, as the pre-drilled holes and included MC4 connectors make installation straightforward for DIY enthusiasts. Compared to a more well-known competitor like Renogi, the WERCHTAY kit offers a significantly lower entry price, making it an excellent value for money. While Renogi often provides a longer-standing brand reputation and potentially superior customer support, the WERCHTAY panel's performance metrics, like its high efficiency rating and half-cut cell technology, make it a compelling alternative for budget-conscious buyers who are willing to work with a less established brand. 2. ECO-worthy 400-watt 12-volt premium solar panel kit. 4. PC's 100W solar panel plus 40A MPPT charge controller. On number 2 is the ECO-worthy 400-watt 12-volt premium solar panel kit. This serves as a robust and efficient off-grid power solution for more demanding applications like RVs, cabins, and remote homes. Its primary purpose is to provide a higher capacity system than standard entry-level kits, offering greater power generation and a more advanced feature set. Key features include 4 100W monocrystalline panels, a 40A MPPT maximum power point tracking charge controller, and a Bluetooth module for wireless monitoring. The inclusion of an MPPT controller is a significant upgrade over the more common PWM controllers found in budget kits, as it drastically improves energy harvest efficiency up to 99% tracking efficiency, especially in partially shaded or low light conditions. The build quality of the panels is solid and durable, with a robust aluminum frame designed to withstand high wind and snow loads. In real-life scenarios, this kit can reliably generate a substantial amount of energy, capable of powering appliances like small refrigerators and TVs, making it a viable solution for extended off-grid living. The included Bluetooth module is a unique and convenient design aspect that allows users to monitor their system's performance, battery status, and charging history directly from their smartphone, which is a premium feature not always found in this price range. Overall, this product is an excellent choice for serious off-grid users, RVers, and DIY solar enthusiasts who need a reliable, efficient, and monitorable system without the premium cost of top-tier brands. 1. N-Type 16 BB400W bifacial. Solar panel, 2, pack 200W. Number 1 is the N-Type 16 BB400W bifacial solar panel kit, sold as a 2-pack of 200W panels. This represents a significant advancement in off-grid solar technology, designed to maximize energy production for RVs, campers, and home rooftops. Its primary purpose is to deliver a higher power yield per square foot compared to traditional panels, making it an excellent choice for applications with limited space. The most unique and compelling feature is its bifacial design, which uses a transparent backsheet to absorb sunlight from both the front and the back, increasing energy output by up to 20% to 30% from reflected or diffused light. This, combined with high-performance N-type cells and a 16 busbar 16BB design, boosts efficiency to a remarkable 25% and ensures superior performance in low light and partially shaded conditions. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a dual glass construction that enhances durability and provides a longer lifespan, making it highly resistant to physical stress. In real-life scenarios, these panels can generate significantly more power than conventional monofacial panels, especially when installed on a reflective surface like a white RV roof. While installation of 2 rigid panels is more involved than a single portable unit, this advanced kit offers a significant performance advantage due to its ability to capture reflected light, which can translate to a higher total energy output throughout the day. This technology, while typically more expensive, offers excellent value for the user who prioritizes maximum efficiency, performance, and long-term energy production from a limited surface area. So guys, this was the video about the best RV solar setup under $500. 0 cents. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.